let's take a look at how we can make a working drawing, just a simple one, from a model like this. So I've got my lamp model here. First thing I need to do is go to Design, Drawing, from Design. Now it's going to automatically select, but you do have some choices. You could pick a selection and only do a single part, or you can do the full assembly. For what I'm doing now, we're just going to do the full assembly. If you've got a complicated design though and you want to do a bit more, please feel free to do it part by part. I'm going to create a new one. It's going to be from scratch, and I'm just going to leave this all the same except for my page size, which I'm going to switch to an A4. The reason for that is just it's easier to print. So I'm going to A4 and OK. And what that's going to do is take this file and generate it into a drawing. So you can see I've got my paper space here. Now I've got my lamp by default, it's 1 to 5. I can modify this and make it a bit bigger if I want. I think even maybe 1 to 3. I like to have a fair bit of size in this just because it's easier than to see what's going on. So I'm going to click to set my drawing. You could change things in here. I'm not concerned though. The best is probably just to leave the wireframe style without the hidden lines. And I'm going to go OK, and it's going to create that. Now what I would do is want to project the views from here. So I'm going to come up to my drawing views and go projected view. Click on that. I'm going to come to the side, make another view there, come to the bottom, make a view there, and you can even make a view off to the side. Because the size of this is so big, I think I'm just going to leave that isometric view out for now. So I right click and I hit OK, and that's going to make those views. Zooming in on it, now I can start applying dimensions to this. So I've got a dimension tool here. You've got just general dimensions, ordinate, a whole bunch of different choices that you can do. I'm just going to do a general dimension for this one, so I'm going to start from there to there. So now I can see the height, I can see the width, and we come in here, we can see the width that way. So you start getting this idea of what it's going to look like. I'm not looking for completely detailed drawings. This is just to get a rough idea of the sizes and that of what this project is going to look like. So we add in what we can. One thing you want to try to avoid is overlapping dimensions. I'm just going to escape on that. This dimension, I don't like that, so I'm just going to move it out so you can see it a little better. Try to keep it as clean as you can, but this is just your first experience with dimensioning, so I'm not super concerned on how many dimensions you have, just that we've got this idea of the height and the width of our product. Alright, I'm going to leave this video there. Short and simple.